Cook with me.
Hi guys, you're welcome back. So today we are not making hair. Today I'm going to show you how I make my Okpa or Bambara pudding. So in a bowl you are going to be adding your Bambara flour, which is the Okpa, and you're going to add the palm oil. And please be generous with the palm oil because that's what is going to make it soft. So after that you go in with your spatula or your hands and begin to mix it very well. When you're done mixing, you're going to go in with your water. Here I'm using hot water, but it's not too hot, rather is it too cold. It's just in a medium heat. After introducing the water, you are going to be mixing this very carefully and gently in order to avoid getting any lumps. So after that, you're going to add in another water and mix. Then you add another water and mix. You're going to be repeating the same process till you get to the desired thickness or consistency. I have gotten my desired consistency and I'm going to go ahead and add other ingredients. I'm going to add some salt and chopped pepper and some eggs for my kids. They love eggs. So you will notice that I didn't add any seasoning cubes, reason being that Okpa has its natural flavor, so I wouldn't want to alter that flavor by introducing seasoning cubes. But if you like seasoning cubes, you can add to your own. So after that, I wrapped it in a moi nylon and throw it into hot boiling water. And there you have it, guys. It is cooking nicely here. I cooked it for about 30 minutes and it is done. You can see how beautiful it is looking already in the water. So this is the final product, you guys, and trust me, this thing is so delicious. You can pair it with a chilled bottle of Coca-Cola or pop. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.